The Savannah in the Freedom by Metricon range is designed for large families who love having their own space. Today, we're here at the Savannah 40 with the Deacon facade in North Harbour, Queensland to take a look inside this stunning home. The Savannah comes in 3 different sizes. Each floor plan has plenty of customizable options, so you really can create the perfect home for your needs. The Savannah we're visiting today is 40 square and it boasts 4 bedrooms and 4 impressive living spaces. Walking into this Savannah, you first notice the spacious home office to the left. This room is perfect for work or study, but if you don't need an office, it can easily be configured as a bedroom or living space. Speaking of living spaces, continuing up the hallway, you find the first of 3 leisure areas. As you walk past the stairs and the laundry, you encounter the theatre room where you can stream your favourite movies and TV shows until your heart's content. The vast, light-filled, open space that makes up the kitchen, living, dining and outdoor rooms in this home is designed with families and entertaining in mind. The kitchen really is the heart of the home, with a stone-topped island bench central to the space and a pantry cleverly tucked down the side so the room stays clutter-free. What's more, doors to the outdoor room open to create one large space. Heading up the stairs, we find the 4th leisure room in this home. This leisure room separates the master bedroom from the additional bedrooms, creating 2 distinct zones for added privacy. This luxurious master bedroom gives you a place to call your own. The walk-in robe is huge, so you won't need to do a clothing cull anytime soon, and the ensuite features his and hers basins, so there won't be any fighting over space. The second story of this home also houses the remaining bedrooms and a shared bathroom. Again, the size of each room is impressive with lots of storage space, so there's no excuse for a messy bedroom. As you head out of this home, you'll realise that Metricon's design team has used every inch of space to make it as functional as possible. If you're looking for the perfect family home, call us on 1300 786 773 or visit metricon.com.au for more information.